But man, hit that greatest boy band crossing range, right? Awesome! Hey, but who's the fitness chef?
And in the pan.
You see it, got him. Big shock, everyone, big shock. Welcome to the Man and the Pan. I'm gonna do something again really exciting and real simple for you. I'm gonna make chicken tofu. Okay? Like a real simple way. Okay? First of all, I'm gonna cut out all my stuff. I got some ginger here. Okay? Mix up ginger. I'm gonna slice it up into small pieces. Just like this. Then, you notice I always use a lot of garlic because you know what? Get rid of the vampires. Yeah. I get some garlic, mash it down. I got my ginger, got my garlic. Then, I get some green onions. Again, I show you, these are local green onions, you know, with the long tail. Yeah? Maybe about 1 inch slice. Of course, I got some tofu. Oshiro tofu. The reason why I use Oshiro tofu is it has a local tofu without preservative. Oshiro tofu. Let the tofu sit there so it kind of drains. Now, in a big bowl, I add in, and in the half cup flour, I add in some shoyu. This is club shoyu, a local shoyu hilo. And you can find it exclusively at where? KTA. So I mix the flour with the shoyu, and the shoyu, a 4th cup of shoyu, right inside a bowl just like this, okay? And inside there, got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Chop in that's about 3/4 pound, okay? You can use pork or whatever you want for this, okay? And I mix it all up, just like a marinade. A Chinese chef and showed me how to do this, and he said, this way, the thing gonna get crispy, crunchy. While the thing is heating up, slice my tofu, okay? You notice I grabbed the firm tofu because, you know, that way it wouldn't break all apart. And I grab my marinated chicken that's marinated inside a shoyu and flour mixture. Ugly looking, but I like it dark and crispy. And that's when the chicken is cooked, then you put in some chicken broth. And just about half can. Then I move it around in here. And in here, I add in a teaspoon of mirin and a tablespoon of sugar, and then just let it go just like this, okay? Now inside here I put in, there you go, my tofu, okay? Thing is ready. Dump in your tofu. You gotta kind of like gently mix it, right? And last you dump in your green onions. Then you just kind of like wait and you let it go. Okay, it looks like it's all done, okay? There you go. Burger look good. That's how it tastes, okay? Here you go. Mmm. Wow. Oh. The burger is so warm. The only thing missing from this is the rice. Oh, the burger hot. Until next week, we'll see you on another Man in the Pan. Aloha, everybody. Take care. Yay.